Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to be smoking up some baby back ribs. So I've got these beautiful baby back ribs. They're nice and thick, they've got a good layer of meat on, and they're well prepared. They are from Sherwood Foods and beautiful baby back rib. So they're going to need minimal preparation. Let's have a look what we need to do with these. Okay, so using a blunt knife, you simply take off the membrane. You slide it under there like that, and hopefully it pulls away cleanly like that. Just check for any loose straggly bits you don't want, like that. Take those off. That looks good. Lovely rack and minimal preparation needed. Okay. So I'm going to go for some Angus and Oink, sweet bones and butts. That's a cracking rub this for ribs, and you simply give a nice even coating like that. Make sure you get the ends. Okay, so these are now ready to go onto the smoker. I'm going to be popping them onto the Timberline there. It's set for 105 degrees C and super smoke. I'll be giving it an hour or so at that, and then bumping it up to 110 degrees C and cooking it for another few hours. So let's get these on. Okay, so let's see how these babies are doing. Lovely colour. What we're looking for between the bones, that it probes like butter. That just goes straight through, no resistance. They're almost ready. So flip them. I'm going to go for some Angus and Oink, Glazed and Confused. I don't like them too much, but just a nice glaze on there. Okay, flip them back over. Make sure they got a nice even covering. Some on this one. Lovely. Shut it down for a while. They probably need another 20 or 30 minutes at the most, just for that glaze to set. So these ribs, these beautiful baby backs, are looking ready now. They're probing tender. I've let the sauce sit on the top, the glaze sit on top for a while just to render in, and I'm going to go in and have a taste. Nice and tender, lovely and juicy still, not too fall apart. Right. Oh, beautiful, really juicy ribs these are. Nice and thick. Just how I like them. Not too soft so they're literally falling off the bone. Just holding onto the bone there nicely. And these are amazing. Good job. So these beautiful ribs are from Sherwood's. They're great, and I've used sweet bones and butts on them from Angus and Oink, and the Glazed and Confused from Angus and Oink. And yeah, I'm really happy with these baby backs. So hope you give them a go as well. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like my videos. Take care. Cheers.